Atticus? What are you doing? Oh. Oh, Atticus. Atticus. You gotta go back, buddy. Get back in there, honey. 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 Honey, go back. Go back. Hi. Can you go back? Here. Let me see what I can do. Okay, Atticus. Do you see what's happened here, guys? He's escaping. Do you see what he's done here? Yeah. Hi, Atticus. What are you doing? We're gonna have to get you back in, okay? Okay, so don't worry, you guys. Luckily, we have another gate at the entrance of this property that will, that closes. I'm sorry, I'm just looking at what's going on here. Are you confused, sweetheart? You confused? It's okay. It's okay. Okay, what I'm gonna have to do is get his halter and lead rope on and lead him out of here. I better go get my boots on. All right, guys. Bye.